हाय गाइस, हैप्पी फादर्स डे। सो आई होप एंड आई अज्यूम आपने ऑलरेडी अपने पेरेंट्स को विश कर दिया होगा, डैड को विश कर दिया होगा। इफ यू नॉट येट डन दैट, प्लीज डू विश योर डैड, fine, and do something for him, and that's the most beautiful thing you can do. I had a word with my dad today taught me how to make biryani. So dad was like, yaar tu zomato order karta every day, today you should cook. So my dad taught me how to make biryani, and I'm going to cook biryani today and surprise him with that thing. So for me, my dad, what do you think about your dad? You have to think about that. I don't know, I want any comment on that, because you know your dad more than anybody else. So for me, my dad have taught me how mother will catch a fish for you, but dad will teach you how to catch the fish. My dad have told me how to learn from your own responsibilities. It happened with me last week. I was called my dad last 2 weeks ago. Dad, my minus 3 lakh rupees in stock market. I lost 3 lakh rupees in stock market. I was down 3 lakh in stock market. So now I learned how the stock market works. You know what my dad said? I was minus 6 lakh rupees when I learned how the stock market works. So at least you learned it in half the loss. Yeah. So this is what my dad is. So for me, he is a responsibility. He taught me how to handle responsibilities. Yeah, that's what my dad. So what do you think about your dad? Please think about that. What do you think about your dad? And learn from him. Yeah, trust me, the biggest person, we think of Steve Jobs, we think of other people. Biggest motivation you can get is from your dad. Biggest learning you can get is from your dad. My dad always worked as isolation between me and how the corporate works. So he never bring in any pressure at home. जो है office में door के बाहर. At home he was always calm and composed. Whatever happened, he might be coming home late from work with all the stress of work, but when he's at home, he is a totally different person, and that's exactly what I try to do in my company. That I try to insulate my staff from all the bad things. No problem. जो भी हुआ है भूल जाओ उसको. Let's start something fresh. Let's start something new. So always learn. One more thing which I would recommend you, okay, learn from your dad, because the biggest person, the biggest corporate person you know is your dad, or whom you can talk to. So sit with him. In fact, one of the life project you can do with your dad. Fine. For example, your dad work in a bank, your dad work in a IT company, your dad have a dukaan, have a business. Spend one day with them and get a 1 month certificate that you worked with so and so guy for 1 month. Whatever, even if your dad is an agriculture farmer, there's a huge learning from that. You can understand the supply chain, how a farmer grow crops to sell crop, farm to plate. That project you can learn from that. See, it's a learning project. Obviously, I'm not claiming that I will know everything in life. It's just one project which I want to do with my dad. Yeah. My dad, so same way you can, your dad work in a bank, where you work, all you need for that is the proof is just one email from your dad. Yeah, that saying that this guy worked with me or understood the project with me from this date to this date, from an official email ID. It need not to be saying that he is your dad. You don't need to say that, but that experience, that one off summer project is very important for the resume point of view. Okay, so wherever he works for, take care. Anything. It can be dukandar, yaar. Suppose your dad have a general store. At your dad ka shop, we have Pepsi, we have Coke, we have all the big brands at the store. So you can understand the supply chain, how the Coke is coming there, from where it is coming, where it is manufactured. On the Coke ka label, you will find out where that company, where that Coke is made. So you can understand the complete supply chain. Yeah. So do one project with your dad. That's the main advice which I want to give you. Love your dad, respect your dad, and do something for him. That's what I want to say today. Do something today for him. Surprise him. I'm going to surprise him with biryani. All right. All the best.